myself from David. Today we will continue with the part 2 of the members of the family in French. So let's get started. With brother or brother. So brother in French is frère. For example, let's use it in an example like my brother is a police officer. My brother is a police officer. My brother is a police officer. In French it will be mon frère est un officier de police. 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 The next one will be sister. So the sister in French is sœur. Let's try something like my sister is a nurse. My sister is a nurse. In French it will be ma sœur est une infirmière. Ma sœur est une infirmière. Ma sœur est une infirmière. Let's take it slowly again. Ma sœur est une infirmière. That's my sister is a nurse. The next one will be the in-laws now. So let's take the first person, the son-in-law. The son-in-law in French is beau-fils. Let's try something like his son-in-law loves his daughter. His son-in-law loves his daughter. In French it would be son beau-fils aime sa fille. Son beau-fils aime sa fille. That's his son-in-law loves his daughter. The next one will be the daughter-in-law. Let's try something like her daughter-in-law helps her a lot. Her daughter-in-law helps her a lot. Her daughter-in-law helps her a lot. In French it will be sa belle-fille l'aide beaucoup. Sa belle-fille l'aide beaucoup. Sa belle-fille l'aide beaucoup. The next one will be the brother-in-law. So the brother-in-law in French is beau-frère. So let's use something like my brother-in-law. Let's use something like my brother-in-law is my best friend. My brother-in-law is my best friend. In French it will simply be mon beau-frère est mon meilleur ami. Mon beau-frère est mon meilleur ami. Mon beau-frère est mon meilleur ami. The next one will be the sister-in-law. The sister-in-law in French is belle-soeur. Let's use it in an example. Her sister-in-law is single. Her sister-in-law is single. Her sister-in-law is single. In French it will be sa belle-sœur est célibataire. Sa belle-sœur est célibataire. Sa belle-sœur est célibataire. Sa belle-sœur est célibataire. The parent-in-law. The parent-in-law in French is les beaux-parents. Let's use the beaux-parents now in one sentence Let's use something like mes beaux-parents sont très courageux. Mes beaux-parents sont très courageux. My parents-in-law are courageous. My parents-in-law are very courageous. My parents-in-law are very courageous. The next thing around families again will be children. Children. The children. The children in French is les enfants. Les enfants. Les enfants. Let's use it in an example which will be something like, let's use something like, the children in my house are obedient. The children in my house are obedient. In French it will be, in French it will be, les enfants de ma maison sont obéissants. Les enfants de ma maison sont obéissants. Les enfants de ma maison sont obéissants. Thank you very much for watching this video. It will be all for today. Our next lesson will be on the French accent. The French accent. We'll go through the different accents in French. So, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and comment in the comment section. You can comment about something that you don't understand in this video in the comment section, or leave any suggestion for the upcoming videos. Thank you very much.